Alright, it is 1:41 Thursday. We're heading to Switchback to ride. First stop, pick up some pit bike parts for that new build. Come here. BBR D3 pipe carbon tip. Let's check this out. I haven't seen a lot of these, so I don't know how they actually are, but BBR makes some quality stuff. So we're going to test that out. White plastics, some fresh Dunlops, some other stuff. Yeah, going to Switchback. Okay, so we're bringing 3 bikes with us today. Backup bike, all that. I feel like I like this one more than the Honda so far. We got the 110L Twisted T bike, Devin's 110, and then my fresh Honda build. Hopefully everything's good with that. You know, when you're putting the bikes back together, you usually like miss some stuff or gotta work out some errors, but waiting on Tim, and then we are rolling out. Yeah, buddy. You know you made it to Switchback when you see the weird space shuttle out front. Stroke that thing, cuzzo! Woo! Alright, so we got Tim on the big bore 132. He just put this thing on. Got Jeremiah ready to go, new suspension, baby. He's not blind everybody in there. Alright. We got Landon on the, I think it's Pistol Pro or something. Is that an all new carbon everything? What's that? New carbon everything. Yeah. Dude's cheap. Dude's cheap. Dude's cheap. His bike, probably ride the 110L some, because I like that thing the most out of all. Let's go. Little maintenance on the new rig. These new chains and things loosen up so much, so quick. Track's alright though, a little beat. Parking lot's a little beat, but it's alright. Pretty hard to hit some stuff or like flow. You little try and get it, baby! Just give him a little nudge. Give him a little nudge in the corner. Right here. In the black, my buddy. What? Yeah, push him in that corner a little bit. Wrapping him up. Oh, Debo! You gonna go get him? Debo and Jimmy should be closing in on him. You! Get him! Did you see Timmy just about lose it? I got it on. So, Low Dry, what you think about the track? It's cool. Like, it can be fun for big bikes, but pit bikes don't really flow, but it's not made for pit bikes. Like, we can hit a couple things, but it's not. Other than that, it's alright.
That's just him speaking. I clear everything on the Cowie. You know how I do.
Timmy's cheating with the big board, so.
He's gonna...
Tim, do a wheelie. Pull up, Debo. Pull up. Weak. You're working on it though. Rome wasn't built today, buddy. This kid's thinking. Hopefully we'll get one more round in. 'Cause I think we're the last one. And it's almost 8. I'm coming for you, Buster. Ended the switchback vlog with the boys, shredding pit bikes. Final stop before home, pizza pies. These potheads know how to cook a pie, I'll tell you that. And that's it. Till the next one.
Smack